How to log out of CoinGecko app. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial on CoinGecko. First of all, CoinGecko is a cryptocurrency trading app that allows you to trade cryptocurrency easily. Now to log out is very simple. First of all, you are logged in, right? Since you're trying to log out, it shows that you're logged in. So once you are logged in, move to the bottom part of the screen, you would see some tabs which includes portfolio, search, explore, and then profile. Our focus is on the profiles page. On this page, you would currently see the version of CoinGecko they are using. For me, I'm using the free version, and then some other tabs like my account, my candy, calculator, coin alerts, NFT alerts, notifications. So by clicking on my account, details about your account will be displayed. If you would like to change your subscription, your password, your email, and even delete your account. Then once you can see all of this, scroll down to the last part of the page where you can see the option sign out. Sign out is the same as to log out. So just click on sign out. And then a pop-up would be displayed to confirm if you really want to sign out. Click sign out, and then just like that you'd be signed out of your Gecko CoinGecko account, and then be prompted to log in again. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.